As you can see, today so far we are at $140. And if I go to my Bing ads reporting, I spent 36 today so far. Today is May 5th and I made 140. So let me refresh the screen for the hater in the back. Well, $140 ain't nothing. I don't know why y'all be tripping over that. But yeah, man, this video I want to show y'all how you can go from $0 to $100 per day with MaxBounty affiliate marketing in 2020. But before we get into this video, I decided to give away. I wanted to do a giveaway for my elite course. A lot of y'all know, a lot of y'all probably missed the coronavirus sale where you can get all my courses for 50% off. And now the elite course is priced at $146 if you want to get access to it. But I decided to do a giveaway on this video just because I'm generous. But yeah, anybody that watched this video to the end, well, to enter the giveaway, all you gotta do is watch this video to the end, like this video, and comment elite down below. You can get access to my elite course. I will pick one winner on my next video that I upload probably within the next day or so. So yeah, to enter the giveaway, watch this video to the end, like it, and comment elite, and you can enter the giveaway. But what I want to do is show y'all basically how you can go from $0 to $100 per day with MaxBounty. But it all starts with an offer. You already know the traffic source just by what I already said in this video. We're gonna be using Bing ads, setting up direct link campaigns. This is what Bing is for those of you who don't know. Pretty much exactly like Google ads, just a different search engine. So first things first, once you got your MaxBounty account, you want to go down to search campaigns and find an offer to promote. No, wait, let me back up. There's actually a few different ways you can find some offers. What I always do, anytime I'm looking to promote a campaign, I always come to the top campaigns. These are the campaigns that's earning affiliates the most money. You can see you can find offers inside of here that you might want to run. Me personally, I like running offers right now inside the e-com niche. That is like very, very profitable right now. Survey offers is popular. I really don't recommend survey offers for Bing because the clicks is kind of expensive. So even though it might convert at a high rate at $2.80, the clicks is 80 cents to $1 nowadays. You used to get away with it, because the clicks was like 30, 10 to 50 cents. So it wasn't too hard to profit on this campaign. But nowadays, I probably wouldn't run survey offers on Bing. I'm definitely almost 100% sure it's people profitable promoting survey offers. I just don't run it myself. I'm more into the e-com right now, especially with Bing ads. So if you don't find no campaign you like inside the top campaigns, you can go to trending campaigns. These campaigns are being searched for most often, and MaxBounty picks based on your activity. But if you want to just start from scratch and go to search campaigns, so you can bring up everything. Categories, like I said, e-com is pretty hot right now. Definitely want to go with mobile optimized. That's where a lot of traffic is coming from these days. You can do all countries. Me personally, I like to do United States. Deselect everything but the traffic source that you're running. So if you're doing Facebook ads, you want to uncheck everything but social media. And since we're doing Bing ads, we're going to uncheck everything except for search. I like to do my approved offers. I don't feel like, submitting a request to get approved for an offer, even though that's a tip right there. Those offers convert like crazy. The ones you got to apply for, those convert. So, if you not lazy like me and you wouldn't mind, just filling out a simple form, then go ahead, knock yourself out. But once you search all campaigns, all you need to do from here is just sort it by EPC. All you got to do is click on that. What that means is basically the higher the EPC, the higher this offer converts. You can go to an EPC calculator. I don't got it pulled up right now, so I don't feel like doing that. But yeah, man, just finding offers. Let's see, what's a good econ product I already know of. I want to make an example. Cold sleep pillow. Okay, this is a good one I looked at before. So this is a gel memory foam pillow that will improve your sleep quality. It fits perfectly to the shape of your neck while providing essential firmness. Ideal for people with back pain, muscle tension, or those who want to keep a correct posture while resting. So converts on a sale. All search is good. So you can even brand bid. Not too many offers you can do brand bidding with. Brand bidding is basically like, okay, what's this company name? Cold Sleep. You can go on Bing right now and set up a campaign called Cold Sleep Memory Pillow, 50% off. A lot of offers, they don't allow you to do that. You have to kind of work around it. So we're going to take this offer as an example if we're just going to go set this up over on Bing. And the only tool that you need, you don't even need a landing page. You don't need an email list. You don't need to follow and none of that stuff. All you need is a tracking tool. Well, you don't even need that, but it's highly, highly recommended. There ain't no point in spending hundreds of dollars on traffic to not know which keywords are getting you to sell. That's kind of defeating the purpose. So the tracking tool I recommend is ClickMagick. Comes with a 14-day free trial, and after that, it's $27 per month. Hey, a lot of people, they pass up on this, this tracking tool and end up wasting hundreds and thousands of dollars down the line just because they want to pay a simple $27 per month. How bad would it be? Let's say, for instance, let me just search gel memory foam pillow. Just show y'all real quick. I really just want to show. Okay, right here. Say you bidding on all of these different keywords. you don't know which ones is making you the money. It could be one, it could be two, it could be three, it could be all of them. You really just don't know unless you have a tracking tool set up. Because I done seen it. You know, people reach out to me like, hey, I don't want to use a tracking tool. I feel like it's a waste of money and blah blah blah. If you bidding on 100 different keywords and only 5 of them is making you sales every day, then you wasting money on 95 different keywords. So I don't know the logic in that. I'll be trying to convince y'all to get this tracking tool, not even because I'm an affiliate of it, because it actually will make you more money down the line. So like I said, I'll leave a affiliate link down below if y'all want to join ClickMagic. 14-day free trial, 27 a month. It's the only tool I recommend. And let's go back to Bing so we can do some ad spying. Any offer that I'm promoting, I always like to do some ad spying and see what my competitors is doing. And what I like to do is basically make a Google Doc file. You could make any type of notes. You can write it down. Hell, just make a list of ads that you find, that stands out or is attractive to you that you can go and run. So keywords, for example, I get all my keywords in my ad copy just from ripping it from my competitors, and I just make adjustments to it from there. So I'll label it ads, then keywords. I'll just paste those keywords right there. So yeah, best memory foam gel pillows, best memory foam cooling pillow, blah, blah, blah. And that's all related to the offer. So you want to make a list of 10 to 30 different keywords that you can go and promote to. You can bring up more related keywords just by clicking on different ones. So best memory foam gel pillow is going to bring up a new group of related searches. And as you can see right here, I don't know if these are the same or not. I didn't even really pay attention, but y'all get the idea. And you want to replace 2019 with 2020 because this is the current year. And ads now, let me just show y'all, for example. Let's say I wanted to take, you know what? Let me go to the landing page and see. Watch me come up with a little ad copy real quick. So I'm going to show y'all how to set up a sample ad over on Bing Ads so y'all can know. But let's see. Cold sleep pillow. That could be our ad number 1. Cold sleep pillow. Or you know what? Number 1. That's how I want to do it. I know exactly how I want to do it. Number 1 gel. What was it? Memory foam gel pillow. Number 1 memory foam gel pillow. If it's enough room on Bing Ads, I really don't know. Number 1 memory foam gel pillow. Cold sleep pillow. I might want to put something else right here. So let's see. What would I put? I could say something like improve sleep quality. Something simple. Next thing I need to do is come up with some ad text under that. So the ad text part is, let me show y'all real quick. That's this part. This is the ad text. This is the ad headlines. See, I got 2 of them right here with the dash and then another part. So let me see. Oh, let me see. 50% off. I know they got a discount. Yep, 50% discount. So we can add that right there. Improve sleep quality, 50% off. 50% off today only. Say something like that. And then a text, I probably just want to make a list. So perfectly. So I'm just copy these 3 and use this as the ad text. The layer of gel that delivers a fresh sensation. And that last part, which is, I don't know if this is too much text or just right. I don't know, but we're going to run with this. So we got our ad, for example, we did our keyword research. We got a list of keywords. And now we can pretty much set up an ad over on Bing. That's all you really need. You already got your, because like I said, you don't need a landing page. All you would need is a tracking tool. I don't even log into my account. So let me just show y'all how to do it without the tracking. But I'll still leave links below to get access to that if you want. So yeah, we can go over on Bing to set it up now. So come over, create you a Bing Ads account, free to set up, and from here you just click on create a campaign. Visit to my website. We can name the campaign Memory Foam Pillow. $25 per day. I'll leave it at that. And you want to only target the countries that's allowed on the offer. You don't want to do Canada and United States because you're going to be wasting money. Because, oh, they actually do accept pretty much all countries. But in this video, I'm just do United States. For example, uncheck this, save and go to the next step. Add group name. This is where you're going to put your keywords and stuff. You can name it whatever. I like to just name it bulk. Go back to our Google Doc file. Copy all of those keywords. Real simple. Paste it in there. Now you can go create another ad group if you want to. You can let this load and have Bing give you some more ad group and keyword ideas you can add into here. But just for time's sake, because we already at 11 minutes, I'm just save and go to the next step. Now right here is where you would put the ad. Final URL is where they're gonna end up after they. Well, basically, you could get the final URL just by entering your affiliate link in a new tab. So let me just do search raw link, hit copy, open a new tab, paste it, and right here, this is our final URL. We're gonna copy this, go back to Bing and use as our final URL. Title part 1, we're gonna use #1 memory foam gel pillow. See if it's enough room. Oh, 5 characters, man, we good. Okay, so improve sleep quality. Paste that in there. So we doing pretty good. 50% off today only. Paste. Okay, we good. Now let's add text. This part I don't think is gonna fit all in there. So let's see what we working with. Exceeded by 150 characters. All right, 40 characters now. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this sentence out and just use this one. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so look. #1 memory foam gel pillow, improved sleep quality, 50% off today only. It fits perfectly to the shape of your neck while providing essential firmness with a layer of gel that delivers a fresh sensation. That's good. We can work with that. Add URL, tracking template. This is going to be your affiliate link. So let's copy that again. Paste that in there. Test. If a green check mark comes, yep, we set it up correctly. So now you can just save and create another one if you got different ad copies you want to test. And from there, you can just click on save. Once you're done, save and go to the next step. We pretty much done after this part. So just where you'll put your budget, enhanced CPC or manual bid. I always just go with enhanced CPC when I'm new to a niche. Now this right here, you can see the estimates. A lot of times it'll be wrong. A lot of times it'll be right. So you can see they got an estimated monthly clicks of 6 if the bid is $1. Like I said, not all the times it's 100% accurate. You see that average position of 3. So that's basically your ads would be pretty much under these two. It'll be somewhere right here. Yep. It's a real ad to be with that bid. And if you're happy with what you got, what I would definitely recommend though is probably adding in another 30 keywords so that way your estimates can go up. But from there, you can, filter by device you want to target, ad distribution, always do own and operate it. Let's see, I already said devices. You can ad schedule, that's more advanced. Location, that's a little more advanced too. But once you're done with that, just click on save. And after I hit save, campaign created, blah, 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 they're just going to review the ad. And, within probably a few hours, because I spent a lot of money on this account, so it'll get approved faster than normal. But for new people, new people that's into Bing, your campaigns will probably start running within a day or two. And, you good from there. And I hope y'all enjoyed this easy and simple tutorial, how to set up a direct link campaign over on Bing. This is exactly what I'm doing right now to get the results that you see right here. Let me see if we got another commission. Nope, we still at 140. I thought we was gonna get another commission by the time I was done with this tutorial, but yeah, man, it's very, very simple. When you're coming up with ad copy and keywords, it's basically just taking what's already working. Finding the competitors' ads, seeing ones that you like, improving on it. Keywords, you can easily get some keywords to target just from doing the related searches method that I just showed y'all. Of course, you're gonna need a converting offer. I already X'd out of the tab, so I can't even show y'all. But yeah, you're gonna need a converting offer, some ad copy, some keywords, a tracking tool, which I highly recommend. So you can know which keywords get you the sale when you're setting it up. And like I said, I will leave links below to everything that I mentioned in this video. It's 14-day free trial, $27 per month. And yeah, man, that's pretty much that. Like I said, if y'all want to enter the giveaway for my elite course, all you gotta do, well, you already made it to the end of this video. I hope you didn't skip through it. But yeah, that was the first requirement. Second one, like this video, comment elite down below, and I will pick one winner on my next video. I also forgot to mention I have a mini course if you want to learn more about ClickBank and MaxBounty, setting up direct link campaigns with Bing ads. You can get access to that course for $7, where I go a little more in detail, with setting up tracking and all that stuff. Get access to that for $7 below this video, or you can jump straight into and get the elite course. Right now that is priced at $146, and this is pretty much what the members area look like. This is the Bing ads training I was talking about. And, like I said, this whole course pretty much covers Facebook ads and Bing ads in detail. I just added in a Facebook ads version 2 with the 2020 strategy that I'm currently working on right now. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and I will see y'all in the next one.